Assalamu alaikum. While fasting in Ramadan, you might be wondering, are you going into starvation mode? Are you getting any healthier? And what are the physiological benefits of fasting? Well, whether a person is fasting or not, the body still needs energy. So the body's primary energy source is glucose, which usually comes from carbohydrates, including grains, dairy products, fruits, certain vegetables, beans, and even sweets. So the liver and the muscles store the glucose and release it into the bloodstream when the body needs it. So around 6 to 8 hours after suhoor, the liver will use the last of its glucose reserves. At this point, the body enters into a state called gluconeogenesis, marking the body's transition into fasting mode. Only during a prolonged fast of many days or weeks will the body eventually turn to protein as an energy source and break down muscle, otherwise known as starvation. This does not happen when fasting in Ramadan, as you're eating a balanced meal when you break your fast. Eating at iftar and suhoor will replenish your energy stores and provide your body with its most preferred energy source, which is glucose. The glucose from your food will be stored in the liver again to be used while fasting, and after the glucose has run out from the liver, the body will start to use fat. This cycle will repeat every day. The benefits of fasting in Ramadan are due to the use of fat for energy, which helps weight loss and lowers cholesterol, as long as you're eating a diet high in fiber. And the reduction in weight can improve diabetes and blood pressure. Fasting in Ramadan has been shown to reduce anxiety levels, which in turn has a positive impact towards mood and stress. And there is emerging evidence to suggest that fasting short-term or intermittent can increase lifespan and preserve gut health. After a few days of fasting and your body's adjustment to the new routine, you may find enhanced brain function. Remember, this information is all free, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share, or follow Conscious by its Dietitian.